To determine if you have a narrow or regular P&H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular P&H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P&H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X WeatherArmor Wiper Blade on a regular P&H arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled B. Align the B adapter so that the arrow on top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the B adapter into the slot in the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Turn the blade perpendicular to the wiper arm, insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the blade down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X WeatherArmor.